morning. This is 𝗦𝗪𝗪𝗡𝗢𝗢. So let's take a resort tour of Sur Boracay here in Station 1, Boracay Island, Philippines. So here's the main road, and here is the entrance of Sur Boracay. Good morning. So we're now at the entrance of Sur Boracay. So this resort is located in Station 1 of Boracay's White Beach. So I love the landscape here. Okay. So here's the lobby. And another lobby here. So here's the front desk. So here's the lobby, and there's a mini store here. Okay, so let's continue walking. Okay. So there are dinette sets here. And as for the smoking area, I was told by the reception that smoking is allowed as long as there is in areas where there are ashtrays. So like this area here. Okay. Okay. So I love the landscape here in Sur Boracay. And there's the restaurant. And our room is here, just near the restaurant. So this is our room. So we're now heading towards the beachfront of Sur Boracay. So there are cabanas in here. And there's the bar. So we do have beach beds here. And besides Sur Boracay is 2 seasons. Okay. And what's the name of this resort? It's the White House Resort. So here's Sur Boracay. And here's the beachfront. So Sur Boracay is located here in Station 1 of White Beach. So let's go back. So if you're looking for a resort here in Boracay's White Beach, I would highly recommend Sur Boracay. It's more affordable compared to its neighboring resorts here in Station 1. And you get to experience first class rooms here in Sur Boracay at an affordable price. So I'm giving you huge discounts if you book your Sur Boracay room on my link in the description box below. Okay. So again, thanks for watching. This is One Arm Wanderer, and please don't forget to subscribe.